Bangalore, Ceratizit, a world-renowned high-technology engineering group specializing in cutting tools and hard material solutions, inaugurated its participation at IMTEX 2025 today at the Bangalore International Exhibition Centre, BIEC. The ceremonial inauguration at Stall B110 Hall 3 was led by Melissa Albeck, member of the Executive Board, accompanied by Andreas Fritz, President of Ceratizit Asia Pacific, and Anil Kumar, Managing Director of Ceratizit India. IMTEX is a flagship event of Indian Machine Tool Manufacturers Association for the metal cutting industry, where all the international brands participate for displaying their new technology trends in machine tools, cutting tools, metrology, CAD/CAM CAE solutions and tooling systems. Ceratizit's participation at IMTEX 2025 will focus on broad topics including sustainability, tooling a sustainable future, which were presented at the Ceratizit booth. The theme for IMTEX 2025, Your Success is Our Priority, highlights Ceratizit's commitment to delivering cutting-edge innovations while promoting sustainability across the value chain. A vision for sustainability, Ceratizit is leading the charge towards sustainability with a clear and ambitious mission to achieve net zero emissions by 2040.
Much for this opportunity to say what are our plans in India. We are very excited with the future in India because for us it's very important, a strategic place.
And I think that is a strategic market for us. You see that we have a strong footprint, 3 production units and even more investments coming, almost tripling capacity now in India for India. And we also see India very relevant for Asia Pacific markets to export and gain market share there.
We believe India will be the fastest growing market in 2025 for our industry. So we definitely need to be present here in a big way. And India is very important for us from a global perspective. We're very happy to be here to be able to showcase what we do, and we hope to find new opportunities to be able to do business here and support the Indian market. Thank you.
With our customer-centric approach and with our motto that their success is our priority, we are providing whole lot of solutions besides standard range, specific solutions for their components with sustainable tools, so which is the future, to control the carbon footprint and have latest technology for high performance. That is our motto and solutions for the customer. And we are, our whole team, our engineering team, our sales team, our production team are for that motto only and working for that only to provide solutions to the customer, best solutions to the customer. And with global support, the board and our global responsible persons supporting us for more growth and bringing latest technology, not only with the tools but even with the production to India. We are very confident, and IMTEX is a platform where we can showcase our technology for our customers and tell them exactly with face-to-face discussions. It is a great advantage. Thank you very much, everyone.
India.
Which gives very smooth and vibration that ensures at least 50% higher feed rate than our normal radial mounted power mill, we call it ESCOM. This is designed for universal applications. It covers big application area and different materials and high performance. The USP of this particular aspect is that it is made of 99% recycled raw material. We call it upgrade. Upgrade is the raw material which is recycled 99%, and it supports our mission of sustainability and reducing the carbon footprint continuously.
Okay, thank you.